Okay, you are welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to learn mathematics under this past paper, which was brought in 2024, which is paper 2 final exam grade 12. The question was gotten from 2024 past paper 2, which is question 16. Those who have past papers, you can even try to open. You see, we'll do the same thing. Whatever we are doing here, you'll be able to see it in the past paper, which was brought in 2024 paper 2 final exam for grade 12. The question reads, it is given that A varies as B and inversely as the square of C, and A is equals to 9 when B is equals to 12 and C is equals to 2. Find the value of K, the constant of variation. Find the value of A when B is equals to 16 and C is equals to 4. Question C reads, find the values of C when B is equals to 12 and A is equals to 3. Here are the differences. The question here, it is different from this one. This one, it is also different from this one. But this one is similar to this one. Alright? Where is the difference? The difference is here. Here we have value. Here we have values. Which means here they just need one answer. Here they just need one answer. Here, two answers. Are we together? Good. Before we do anything, we need to make a data. We need to make a what? Data. Our data should follow like this. What is our A in the statement? 9. A is equals to 9. What is our B? 12. B is equals to 12. What is our C? 2. Our C is equals to 2. Then let's make the formula. You cannot solve this type of equation without using the formula. And the formula will be quoted from the statement. It is given that A varies. It is given that A, the symbol for varies is this one. A varies. That is the symbol for varies. A varies as in B. And inversely. And means over. And means what? Over. This over should just end in here. Okay. And inversely as the square of C. Square of C is C what? Squared. Are we together? So here we are going to say A. Immediately we put equals, the values will disappear. A is equals to, then this one should disappear. We need to put or to replace it with what? Constant. Our constant is what? K. A is equals to constant B over C squared. Are we together? Then the question says, tikafika hapa, we have already created the formula. This is the formula that we are going to use to handle our questions here. Are we together? Yes. Let's come to the question now. Find the value of K. Muli statement you. This is what A is 9. B is 12. C is 2. What is the value of K? We don't know. Let's solve it. So we are going to get our formula. A is equals to constant B over C c squared. We are going to balance this one by 1. Are we together? Then you cross what? Multiply. 1 times KB. KB is equals to A times C squared. AC squared. To get rid of K, K is a lega. We need to divide both sides by what? B. Even that side, B. B na B, verify. Pasala constant is equals to AC squared over B. We are almost there. So let's write constant here. Constant is equals to, what is our A in our data? What is our A? 9 times what is our C in our statement? 2. If this C is what? 2. So 2 will be multiplied by what? By 2 because of the what? Squared. So we are going to multiply 2 ya mbele itakabili, no wonder 2 ya mbele kabili. Are we together? Yes. Then divided by, what is our B? 12. Constant is equals to, what is 2 times 2? 4 over 12. Constant is equals to, if I'm too fast, please tell me so that I relax. But when you are speedy, you will see that even mathematics, it will be very easy for you. Why? If you are very much fast, but you need to say, sir, you are too fast. But speed matters. Speed can help you. 9 times 4 is what? 36. Over 12. Ikafika pa jamati that 12 ingia na kati 36. How many times can 12 go into 36? It goes 3 times. So our constant is 3. What's the answer? Ona comment a joke. What would you how many marks? 2 marks. Are we together? Change to the value B. Finding the value of K in the diagram question A. Now we are answering question what? B. Find the value of A when B is equals to 16 and C is equals to 4. First thing, make data. Say data. Good. What is our B here? 16. Our B is equals to 16. What is our C here? 4. Our C is equals to 4. Without wasting much of our time, let's get the formula here. Let's get the formula. The formula says A is equals to what? Constant B over C squared. But the question says what? Find the value of A when B is equals to 16 and C is equals to 4. Find the value of A. What's next? A in chan. A is equals to constant. Constant in chan. 3. K in chan 3. We take the 3, you write the value K. Times what is our B? 16. Over what is our C? 4 equal to what? 3. Because of the what? Squared. A is equals to 3 times 6 is 18. We write 8 carry 1. 3 times 1 in chat. 3 plus the 1 4. So which means 3 times 16 is what? 48. 48 over 4 times 4 is what? 16. How many times can 16 go into 48? 16 into 48. Let's try to do it here. 16 plus 16 plus 16. 66, 12, right? Carry 1, 2, 3. Here is 12. 6, 8, 12, 18. We write 8, carry 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48. So it goes 3 times then. It goes 3 times. The answer answer is again 3 here. 2 marks. 3 marks. These are 3 marks, eh? Simple good time. Any question?
No question.
Before I confuse you or before I make you understand? Any question here? You have understood that?
Yes.
Let's go to question C. Question C first, let's make the data. Say data. Good. Let's read the question here. Find the values. Here it is now true, right? Which means we are looking for 2 answers. Find the values of C where B is equals to 25 and A is equals to 3. Find the values of C. Find the values of C. Before we go in further, what is our data? B means what? 25. A means what?
3.
A is equals to 3. Let's get our formula. The formula says what? A is equals to constant B over what? C squared. Now, what are we looking for?
C.
Find the value of C. Let's make C the subject of the formula. Nikakambati, let us make C the subject of the formula. Nifuna C equal to first number making A. That's what I want. Are we together?
Yes.
So we are going to multiply, cross multiply here. A times C squared.
AC squared.
The answer of AC squared is equals to 1 times KB. KB. Then if you want to get rid, that is for C. If you want to get rid of C squared, divide both sides by which letter? A. Over A. E yafa. C squared. That's alaeka. So KB over A. Pajamaji tikasolve, right? Pajamaji tisolve. We know without much difficulties. So C squared is equal to, can you bring the system here? Quickly. C is equal to, what is our K?
3.
What is our K? 3. We write in 3 times it. What is our B? 25. Over, what is our A? 3. C squared is equals to 3 times 25, the answer is 75. Are we together? 75 divided by 3. C squared is equals to 3 into 7, it goes how many times? 2. Remember? 1. Tapanga 15 by then? 3 into 15? 5. So, nearby the secret, most of the pupils, they fail to answer that question. When they reach there, they think maybe it can be answer, of which there may answer. So we need to introduce the square root both sides. We need to put the root. Are we together?
Yes.
Mary, are you seeing what you are doing there? That's where you are going. That's where you are going. That is the journey. So for you to leave C alone, cancel the square root, cancel the 2. C, it is now alone. What is the square root of 25?
5.
5. But don't forget that we are going to have something like this. Because we have introduced a square root, we are going to have positive or negative 5. Which means we need to divide this answer of ours into 2. We are going to say, therefore, C is equals to negative 5 or positive 5. The answer. This is what they meant when they said, find the values. Values, which means you are looking for 2 answers. They knew that Okafikapa, the 5 to divide itself into 2. Negative 5 and then positive 5. Ngati walembaka japo pasichape half mark. Ukalemba, when you write it like this, they will give you 3 marks. Are we together?
Yes.
This is what your friends wrote in 2024, paper 2, final exam for grade 12, question 16. us check. Every year, Mama let question 16. Mama let question Yasuchi. Now, master you will find that you can even get 100%. Each question is never changed. Question 2 is based on question 20. Each question is so your duty is to master what the topic requires you to do. Are we together?
Yes.
This is the end of the topic. If you want, you can follow us on YouTube channel Savoy Teacher Savoy. Thank you so much.